Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we have to start the next topic, the next chapter, which is chapter number 3, periodic table and periodicity of the properties. ठीक है, लास्ट चैप्टर हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था और फाइनली अब हम लोगों ने जो है अपना न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट करना है आज. आई होप माई स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ हेल्प फ्रॉम द वीडियोज़ दैट आई एम अपलोडिंग ऑन माई चैनल. सो टुडे वी हैव टू स्टार्ट. इसमें हम लोग देख लेते हैं एक दफ़ा कि इसमें एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने करना क्या है. इसके हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स will be able to distinguish between period and groups in periodic table. Number 1, state the periodic law, classify elements into categories, groups and periods according to the configuration of their outermost electrons. Determine the demarcation of the periodic table into S block and D block. Explain the shapes of the periodic table, determine the location of families of the periodic table and so on. मतलब ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हम लोगों को at the end of the chapter the students will be able to define or understand. So starting off, in the 19th century, chemists devoted much of their efforts in attempts to arrange elements in a systematic manner. These efforts resulted in discovery of periodic laws. On the basis of this law, the elements known at that time were arranged in the form of a table which is known as the periodic table. One of the significant features of the table was that it protected the properties of those elements which were not even discovered at that time. The vertical column of that table were called groups. ये important है आप लोगों के लिए. जो vertical column है उनको हम कहते हैं groups, इस तरह vertically. And जो horizontal column होते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं periods. The orderly arrangement of elements and the horizontal are called periods. The orderly arrangement of the elements generally coincide with their increasing atomic number. तो क्या था कि हमारे पास जैसे ही हम लोग किसी वन एलिमेंट से नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट की तरफ मूव करते थे तो उनका एटॉमिक नंबर क्या हो रहा था, इंक्रीज कर रहा होता था by 1. The periodic table contains huge amount of information for the scientist. With the discovery of periodic table, the study of individual properties of the known elements is reduced to a study of few groups. We will describe various attempts which were made to classify the elements into a tabular form. सबसे पहले हमारे पास Dobberiner triad था और he was a German chemist and he observed the relationship between the atomic masses of several groups of 3 elements called triads. In these groups, the central or middle element had atomic mass average of the other 2 elements. One triad group example is that of calcium, strontium and barium. ठीक है. The atomic mass of the strontium is average of the atomic mass of calcium and barium. जो strontium है, अगर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि इनको अगर हम इनकी एवरेज निकालें तो जो strontium का वो होगा, वो इनका आंसर अल्टीमेटली वही होगा. Only a few elements could be arranged in this way. This classification did not give wide acceptance. कुछ एलिमेंट्स सी तो एज सच सब पे एप्लीकेबल नहीं हो रहा था. तो किसी भी जब आप लॉ इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हैं तो यू हैव टू सी कि वो सब पे एप्लीकेबल हो, अदरवाइज उसको ज़्यादा पॉपुलैरिटी नहीं मिलती. देन वी गॉट न्यूलैंड्स ऑक्टेव्स. न्यूलैंड ऑक्टेव्स क्या थे? आफ्टर सक्सेसफुल डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ करेक्ट एटॉमिक मैसेज ऑफ द एलिमेंट बाय कैनिज़ेरो इन 1860, attempts were again initiated to organize elements. In 1864, British chemist Newlands put forward his observations in the form of law of octaves. ठीक है, 1864 में law of octaves इंट्रोड्यूस करा गया था. He noted that there was a repetition in chemical properties. कौन सी properties में? Chemical properties में. ठीक है, of every 8th element if they were arranged by their increasing atomic number, atomic masses. He compared it with the musical notes. His work could not get much recognition as no space was left for undiscovered element. कि जो अनडिस्कवर्ड एलिमेंट थी उनके लिए कोई स्पेस नहीं बचा था, तो उस वजह से इनकी वो रिसर्च को या इनका जो लॉ था उसको इतनी पॉपुलैरिटी नहीं मिली थी. द नोबल गैसेस वर ऑल्सो नॉट known at that time.